Quick trek overseas now. Manchester City failed to keep pace with English Premier League leaders Arsenal after Chelsea earned a late 1-1 draw at the Etihad on Sunday. Tajani Reinders gave City the lead in the 42nd minute. However, Chelsea's Enzo Fernandez put a dent in City's title hopes when he bundled home in second half stoppage time. Man City are back up to second on 42 points, the same as third place Aston Villa. Chelsea are fifth on 31 points. Meanwhile, led by a hat-trick from Igor Thiago, Brentford took down Everton 4-1 at Hill Dickinson Stadium. Thiago scored in the 11th, 51st and 88th minutes. Reggae boy Rico Henry came on as an 83rd minute substitute. Elsewhere, Newcastle United put two past Crystal Palace without reply at St James's Park. Bruno Guimaraes opened the scoring in the 71st minute. Malik Taw closed out the win in minute 78. Newcastle are 9th on 39 points, while Crystal Palace are 14th on 27 points. In other games on the day, defending champions Liverpool were held to a dramatic 2-2 draw at Craven Cottage by Fulham. Manchester United played to a 1-1 draw with Leeds United, while it was a similar result between Tottenham Hotspur and Sunderland.